Meralco Power consumers can expect an increase in their electric bills for the month of April. This as the power firm announced it will implement an 89 centavo per kilowatt hour increase for this month, primarily due to the jump in generation charges. Including other charges, generation charge for April will be 5 pesos 90 centavos per kilowatt hour from 5 pesos 21 centavos last March. More from Aya Macalma.
As the summer season starts, the Manila Electric Company or Meralco declared a yellow alert starting today until Thursday, meaning the supply of electricity in the coming days. This, as some of the major power plants in Luzon had an outage which was confirmed by the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines. Besides this, a number of power plants are scheduled to go on maintenance shutdown in the coming months.
Demand situation natin mas mataas ngayong summer months. Yung supply naman medyo may konti tayong concern doon in terms of the availability of supply. Although sa ngayon, bagamat naka-yellow alert tayo for a certain period of time as confirmed to us by the system operator, still, all in all, talagang nagkaroon ng pressure for prices to go up.
Meanwhile, Meralco confirmed that it will increase by 89 centavos per kilowatt-hour electric bills for the month of April. The increase was primarily due to the 69 centavo jump in generation charges and the hike in the demand of power supply from the consumers during summer season.
Yung increase ng generation charge ay dahilan sa supply condition natin, medyo may issue tayo dun sa supply situation natin. Nasama pa yung outage ng several large power plants. No? Kasama pa yan yung increase sa demand. So yung demand nung nagdaang March supply month tumaas ng 200 megawatts o siguro roughly to mga 10 malalaking mall. So normally pag tumataas yung demand at medyo may issue tayo sa supply, yung presyo sa wholesale electricity spot market na pinagkukunan din namin ay tumaas. So kaya nag-reflect itong increase na ito.
However, according to Zaldariaga, Metro Manila will not have power interruption yet. Meralco appeals to the public to save energy starting this month till the end of summer. Zaldariaga gave some tips on how to save electricity by simply turning off lights unused. Removing appliances from the sockets will definitely save more electricity. For the People's Television, this is Waywaya Macalma.